Alright, we're going to make another one of these pictures today that I have made out of a canvas and a Dollar Tree bag, and I think it turned out really cute. So I decided the white wasn't really going to cover this whole picture very good, so I'm doing the red. But I'm kind of low on that paint from the other one I did, so I'm just doing around the edges because it's going to be covered up by the gift sack in the middle, so it's not going to show. So I'm going to at least have to do one more coat on that before we can put the gift sack on there. Okay, so I got as much paint on it as I'm going to do because I don't need to do the center. And yes, you can see a little bit through, but I don't mind that pattern particularly showing through. And I've put some glitter on it. I've got the other side of my gift bag printed out. As soon as this dries, I'm going to start putting that on there and some twine and making it pretty. Okay, so we've let it dry and I've cut my piece of my gift sack out. I've tacked it right here at the bottom so that I know it's straight, and now I'm going to glue all the way around. And I've left the ribbon up here. I just tacked it down on the back side so it doesn't come out anymore. But I just leave it up there so that we don't have holes there. But we're going to put a bow there so that it kind of covers that anyway. Okay, so we're just going to make a simple bow out of this just by folding it around like this. I'm sure many of you have seen tutorials over that kind of bow. I think I want it a little bigger. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be big enough. Let me cut my ribbon. This is wired ribbon, so I don't like to use my really good scissors. All right. So we're gonna bunch it up nice and neat here in the middle. Sure it's even. And we're going to tie a piece of twine around it. Okay, and make sure everything's still even. Maybe fix our bow a little bit. Gonna cut the ends so that they're cute. Tie this in a knot and cut it off. And then I'm going to glue it up here at the very top in the center. Just with hot glue. For a minute, fix my bow pretty. got some extra garland that I've been using for just this and that. So I'm gonna cut off a piece of that. A wire cutter. And then I wanna make it kind of look like it's tapered up. So what I do is I'll cut some on the bottom off, which makes a terrible mess. And then I will take the ones on the sides and just kind of taper them up. All right. Oop. Got one wild one there. Just, just makes it look a little bit neater. More like a tree branch. Put a little hot glue on it. Stick it right here in the middle. Boy, I'm getting really good at burning my fingers. And then I have some berries from Dollar Tree that I'm also gonna stick up there, but I don't think I'm gonna use this whole thing. So I'm gonna see if I can get some off here without breaking them or without them falling everywhere. Let's cut this little bit off right here. There we go. All right. So we got a little bunch going here that I'm just gonna hot glue right in the center. Oh, see, lost one. You have to be very careful with those from Dollar Tree. They don't like to stay on very good. All right. Now the other one, I took jute twine and I went all the way around the sack. This one, I decided I would just kind of leave like this because it already has this busy. I don't know, I may go back and put it on there. But anyway, there's your finished product. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I did decide to go ahead and put the jute twine around it. And let me show you. It just makes it look a little more finished. So I've started up here by the bow so that I don't have to take the bow off and stuff, and I am going down and working my way around. I really like the look that the jute twine's giving it. It's making it look more rustic and going better with the burlap on the bow. So highly recommend that. So I've got the jute twine around it, and here's our finished product. It looks really good on my cedar walls. I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.